to pop your blow-up Santa. I'd like to bury it in the snow. Why don't you just put up a string of lights? You don't have to put on a show. I don't remember you asking me if I wanna look at that or listen to the music pump. I'd like to pop that sucker flat. I know I'm not the arbiter of taste, but do you know that yours is bad? Maybe I should just knock and talk it out, but I don't wanna make you mad. Maybe your kitties derive some joy from plastic that we never